Hello, welcome to Smooth Original. Now I bring a tutorial on how to add link to Instagram bio 2022. Before that, you don't miss any of our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. The first thing we must do is install the Instagram application and of course have an Instagram account too. Click the application of Instagram here. After that, click symbol and or photos in the bottom. Click edit profile and you can click website here, maybe youtube.com. and check up in the upper of the button, and yeah, the links of the YouTube is add from your profile Instagram. I think this is the tutorial how to add link to Instagram bio 2022. I hope this video is useful for you and thank you.